Hi dear students, I am Aritra Chakraborty, lecturer in electrical engineering of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the part 6 lecture of polyphase system. The first slide is the active power in a three-phase connection. In a three-phase AC circuit, the total true or active or the real power is the sum of three-phase power or the sum of the all three-phase powers in the total active or true power. So the total true or active power equals to three-phase power. That means P equals to 3 phase voltage into phase current into power factor, or 3 VPH into IPH into cos phi. We know that the value of phase current and phase voltage in star connection is IL equal to I phase, or both are equal. Line current equals to phase current. So instead of IPH we can write IL, and you know that in star connection the phase voltage equals to line voltage by root 3, or VL equal to root 3 V phase. So putting these values in power equation, that means instead of VPH we can write VL by root 3 also, and from this equation we can get that P equals to 3 into, instead of VPH, VL by root 3 and IPH, IL into cos phi, or P equals to, instead of 3 we can write root 3 into root 3, because root 3 into root 3 equals to 3. So root 3 into VL by root 3 into IL into cos phi. So root 3 into 1 by root 3 are cross multiplied. So from this equation we can write down that P equals to root 3 VL IL cos phi, or P equals to root 3 into line voltage into line current into power factor. So that is the active power. Hence proved, power in star connection, that is P equals to 3 phase voltage into phase current into cos phi, or P equals to root 3 into line voltage into line current into cos phi. Now the active power in a three-phase delta connection. We know that the power of each phase, that is power per phase, equals to VPH or phase voltage into phase current into power factor, and the total power in three phase is equals to P equals to 3 into phase voltage into phase current into power factor. That is the active power or real power. We know that the values of phase current and phase voltage in delta connection, that is phase current IPH equals to line current by root 3 from IL equal to root 3 I phase, and phase voltage equals to line voltage. So putting these values in equation, power equation, that is P into 3, instead of VPH we can write VL into, instead of IPH we can write IL by root 3 into power factor, because IPH equals to IL by root 3. So from here we can write P equals to root 3 into VL into IL by root 3 into cos phi, because 3 equals to root 3 into root 3. And from there we can write P equals to root 3 VL IL cos phi. So hence proved, power in delta connection, that is same as star, like P equals to 3 into phase voltage into phase current into power factor, or P equals to root 3 into line voltage into line current into power factor. So when cos phi or power factor, where cos phi equals to power factor, the phase angle, and this phi is the phase angle between phase voltage and phase current, not between line voltage and line current. So phi is the angle between IPH or I phase and B phase, and cosine of this phi is called the power factor. So now the reactive and apparent power for three-phase star and delta network. So we know that in case of reactive power, we have to multiply the voltage current and the reactive power factor, that is sin phi. So total reactive power Q equals to, in case of three-phase star or delta circuit, instead of cos phi we have to multiply sin phi with root 3 into VL into IL. So where cos phi is the power factor, the phase angle between phase voltage and phase current, and not between the line current and line voltage. And good to know, reactive power of inductive coil is taken as positive and that of a capacitor as negative. Also the total apparent power of three phases equals to simply that S equals to root 3 VL into IL. Apparent power means the DC power, that is root 3 into VL into IL. Or you can write here from the power triangle, S equals to root over P square plus Q square. Okay, because in power triangle the apparent power is in hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equals to root over height square plus base square. Okay, so that is the value of apparent power and reactive power. Now the comparison between three-phase star and three-phase delta network. In star connection, the starting or finishing ends of three coils connected together to form a neutral point. But in case of delta, there is no such neutral is connected, because the opposites of ends of three coils are connected together. So in case of star, there is a neutral point. In case of delta, there is no such neutral point. So you can find out a neutral wire, or you can connect a neutral wire in star connection. So it is a three-phase four-wire system, but delta connection is the three-phase three-wire system. The relation between line current and phase current in case of star, these are two equal, and in case of delta, the line voltage and phase voltage, or VL and V phase, are equal. And in case of star connection, VL equal to root 3 V phase, and in case of delta connection, IL equal to root 3 I phase. And the total power of both of these two connections are same, that is P equals to 3 into V phase I phase cos phi, or P equals to root 3 VL IL cos phi. The speed of the star connected motor are slow because the phase voltage is reduced in case of star connection, because we know that V phase equals to VL by root 3. But in case of delta connected motor, the phase voltage equals to line voltage, so speed of the motor is increased in case of delta connected motor. In star connection, the phase voltage is low as compared to the line voltage, so it needs low numbers of turns because the voltage is low. And in delta connection, the phase voltage is equal to the line voltage, hence it needs more number of turns. Low insulation required as phase voltage is low, and heavy insulation required as phase voltage in delta connection, that is equals to line voltage, is high. And in star connection, mainly used for power transmission, and delta connection is mainly used for power distribution. So that's all for today. Thank you.